Welcome back, subscribers. So today I wanted to talk about terminology. So very beginner's guide to the stock market. Um, so just simple terms. It's going to be very 1,000-foot view, very simple. So the first one when it comes to when you start investing is definitely going to be a ticker symbol. So say you want to invest in Apple. Well, you got to look up AAPL for on Yahoo Finance or in your brokerage account with Schwab or yada yada yada. Just Google AAPL or ticker symbol for Apple, and it'll come up with their ticker symbol as far as what their stock is currently trading for, and probably some information about them. And other ones, Amazon is AMZN. Simple ones like AMD is AMD. That's an easy one. They're usually 1 to 4 letters. Like Pandora is just P. Ford is F. So that's number one. Number two is, hey man, we're in a bull market, which means things are going higher. It's going to the moon. So when somebody says, man, we're in such a bull market, the S&P 500 is going crazy, the NASDAQ is going crazy, it's in a bull run. It means it's in a breakout, it's going up. And then the reverse of that is bear. So when you hear somebody say, oh man, it's such a bear market, or I don't know what to do, I'm losing all sorts of money in this bear market. Well, you can probably put two together that it's going down. Things keep going down, hitting 52-week lows, just tanking. It's a bear market. Next one I'm going to say is brokerage. People ask, how do I invest in the stock market? I know I'm in some mutual funds with my retirement account, my 401k. Yes, you can still do that. Some retirement accounts that you are personally managing, you can buy individual stocks, but most they're managed by somebody else is where you're setting it up. But brokerage account is basically another account, kind of like a savings account, but that's attached to the stock market. You can get one through Schwab, TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, Robinhood, which I have some videos on. Great for zero commission, easy to learn. It's on your cell phone. Everyone is using cell phones now because they're essentially data room servers as far as a processing power. Back 10 years ago, you needed a room this big to do what our cell phones can do nowadays. I can go in more depth there, but basically it's an account that you can trade stocks, mutual funds, futures, bonds, whatever you want, commodities. Next one is hold. I'm holding right now. Obviously, you're in it for the long term. You're holding your position, your stock, whether that's 1 share of Apple, 100 shares of Apple, whatever. You're holding it. You're waiting to see what the market does, the news. I'm holding. Next one that I hear a lot is I'm going long. I'm long this stock. And what does that mean? It's almost a little bit different than hold, but you're in it for the long term. Long. I'm going to hold it for a long period of time. So they kind of mean the same thing, basically. Next one is I'm short. You hear people say, man, in the news, people are shorting Bitcoin all the time, or, shorting Amazon or Tesla or whatever it may be. That means you're literally betting against the stock from going up. You're hoping it's going to go down. And a lot of people do this in the options market with puts. A put is shorting a stock, hoping it goes down. And when somebody's hoping it goes up, it's called a call. But it's a little bit more advanced terminology. Yeah, I think that'll do it for this video. I'll do another video for some more advanced terminology, but hope you guys enjoy the video. Subscribe, send me a comment, and have a good day.